What's up, guys? I just bought more Terra Classic and I'm going to show you why I did that. So make sure you watch this video till the very end. Things may be about to get pretty crazy here. So here we have Terra Classic. First off, we're going to look at the Fibonacci level here. So if we pull it from the bottom all the way to the top of this pump, we'll see that Terra Classic has now perfectly come down to the 61.8 level here, the most common retracement level, and we're seeing a bounce here. So that could be a sign of a reversal, and this lines up perfectly with our support here at 25. So we have some nice confluence there. Now let's zoom in here and I'll show you what really made me start feeling bullish. So we formed this falling wedge here, which is a bullish pattern, and in the video yesterday, we were talking about how the price was starting to break out from this falling wedge, and now we've broken out, came down for the retest, bounced back up, formed a higher high. So this is a confirmed breakout. Things are looking great, and this is crazy. The price target of this falling wedge is actually way back at the top of the wedge at 58. So we could potentially pump all the way back up to 58 where we were just a week ago. Pretty crazy that we could see this price start reversing this quickly. Did not expect a price reversal this quickly. Could be due to the burn being implemented here in just a few days on September 20th. That might be what's causing this to happen so fast. But one thing to keep in mind, we do have resistance here at 45. So it is possible we could get rejected there and not see the full pump all the way up to the price target. That's possible. Also, I would expect some resistance here at this level at about 37 to 38. So those are the levels to watch for this breakout. But yeah, the price target actually way up at 58. That is a potential what could happen here over the next few days. So yeah, this is the main reason why I decided to buy some more Terra Classic, because as you know, I sold most of my Terra Classic back up here when I saw that we were super likely to see a much bigger dump here. So I've been waiting for a good entry point to buy back in, and I didn't expect a good entry point or a price reversal this quickly, but yeah, this looks super bullish, so I decided to buy back in. Now, I'm not telling you guys to buy Terra Classic, I'm just letting you know what I did. And yeah, keep in mind that this isn't guaranteed. So this shows us that it's likely we're going to see the price going up here, but it's not guaranteed. Anything could happen. The price could still suddenly dump back down. That's always a possibility. But because of this bullish sign, this breakout, and that we're more likely to see the price go up here, I was willing to take the risk buying some more, because I think this is a good opportunity. The price likely is going to go up. Now, I did not go all in. I only used a small amount of money because I wanted to keep some of my profits on the side just in case we do see the price go lower here, because that's always a possibility. That way I still have money set aside to buy more at those lower prices. But definitely wanted to buy some more Terra Classic on this breakout, because there's just a high probability we're going to see a nice pump here. Maybe not all the way to the price target, but we should see some upward price action here. We're seeing it now. It's already gone up a pretty decent amount since I bought. And let me show you guys how to get the best entry points on these breakouts. So yeah, because you might be wondering, okay, we have a falling wedge, we break out, when's the best time to enter? Well, if you want the best entry point, what you want to do is you zoom in here, and so you see the breakout, you don't enter yet, you wait for it to come down for the retest, and if it comes down for the retest and it just breaks right through, then it was a fake out and you don't want to enter. You don't enter it. Okay, so waiting helps you reduce the risk of a fake out, because if it comes down and breaks through, then okay, it's a fake out, you didn't enter, no big deal. But what you want to do is you wait for it to come down for the retest. When you see it bounce off the previous resistance and that's now acting as support, you see the bounce and the candle close. Okay, that's when you want to enter, and that gives you a nice low entry point here. And if you really want to get entry point, you go in on the 15-minute chart. That way you can get it really precise. As soon as you see the bounce, comes down, bounces back up, candle closes. Okay, you enter right here, and now you've got a really nice entry point, and you're already in pretty good profits right now if that's what you did. So that's how you play those if you want really good entry points. But yeah, beautiful breakout here. Price target way up at 58. So we might be pumping over the next few days as we lead up to the 1.2% burn here September 20th, and that could be the reason why we're starting to see this price pump in anticipation of that burn. And if you look over on Terra Station, there's a new proposal, a beautiful one, and it's Luna Classic Community Statement to all exchanges regarding 1.2% burn tax on off-chain on exchange transactions. So basically, this proposal is to signal to all the exchanges that the community wants them to implement the 1.2% burn on all buying and selling transactions. That way, when this passes, we can take this as proof to all the exchanges, to Binance, and be like, hey, CZ, here it is. Here's proof. The community wants the burn on all transactions, so please implement it. So yeah, I mean, CZ has stated before that if the community wants the burn done, then he'll do it. But he's like, so far, I don't know that they want it. He was like, they need to implement it on chain first, and then if they want it off chain, he's willing to support us. So potentially, we actually could see the burn implemented on exchanges on all buying and selling transactions. That would be huge. That would for sure cause a massive pump in the price. So yeah, so this is 99% voted yes, 79% of the votes are in, way past the pass threshold. So gonna pass for sure. Voting ends in 2 days, and then this will be passed. And yeah, we'll see if this actually gets the exchanges to do it for us and cause a huge pump in the price. So like and subscribe if you want to be updated. We've been making a lot of money on this channel. So yeah, let's hope this breakout works out for us and we do see a pump in the price. If we look at Bitcoin's going down, and it seems like Terra Classic always pumps best when Bitcoin's going down. Like when Bitcoin was going down here, that's when we had this huge pump back here. And then Bitcoin started pumping and Terra Classic crashed. Now Bitcoin's going down. Terra Classic starting to go back up again. So hopefully Bitcoin just stays down here and doesn't do anything. If it starts pumping, that might kill our pump on Terra Classic. But yeah, we have support at 19,000 for Bitcoin, so we might see a bounce. But if we break that support, then Bitcoin will likely have a massive dump. So which could be good for Terra Classic, because yeah, when Bitcoin goes down, Terra Classic seems to go up. So anyways, this is a nice breakout here, and price target's up at 58. We do have resistance at 45. You might want to watch that because we could get rejected there. Could be some resistance at 37 as well. So that's the levels to watch. But otherwise, I will keep you guys updated on how this breakout goes. Hopefully we see a nice pump here. So like and subscribe if you want to be updated, and share the video so everyone in the whole world can see this video, find out about Terra Classic before these burns actually start. But otherwise, thank you so much for watching till the very end, guys. You guys are awesome, and I'll see y'all later.